A truck transporting paint thinner capsized in a South Korean tunnel, exploding into flames. The truck's driver lost control of his vehicle in heavy traffic before hitting the wall of the tunnel. The collision led to explosion within seconds, with other nearby cars engulfed in flames. According to media reports, the resulting flames caused damages to 11 vehicles and injured 21 people. The accident occurred in the Songju Tunnel on the Central Inland Expressway near the city of Changwon in 2015. This just shows us how important it is to control the vehicle's speed and avoid overloading when transporting flammable materials.